Hello everyone and welcome back to Feather Family. We are playing as a baby macaw. This time, Cool Cowie isn't with me today. What? While I was charging up the camera, another bird stole my meals. I worked hard to get that worm earlier. Stupid birds. They're annoying. Actually, my favorite bird is a sparrow. I just wanted to do a macaw first, so. Ooh. Now I shall consume this rat and eat him alive. Alright, now he's dead. Alright. Well, as you guys know, macaws are animals that live in the jungle, and I'm at a barn? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. So, in a bit, I'm gonna run back to the jungle. I came here for a while, though. Is that a phoenix? Is it? Oh, it's a very tall white chicken, which is weird. I actually love chicken. Might eat him later. Alright, let's get in here. Alright, this is a good area to spend my time in for now. So, let's sit up. There are also a ton of birds here, which I don't like. Wonder if I'll actually find the tree that I accidentally crashed into during Swan Life. Wonder if I'll find that. Ooh, what is this? Never been in here before. What is this? Is this a school room? Yeah, it's a school. That's cool. Kinda like that. They might actually live in there. What way would the jungle be? I think it would kinda be over this way. Yeah, because, this is there. And me and Cool Cowie walked out here. And we went this way toward the tree from the jungle, because I went off camera a bit. And after that, to get back to the barn, because that certainly wasn't all the footage. I had like 30 minutes of footage. I just deleted a lot of it, because sometimes there was just like absolutely nothing happening. Oh, there's the demon tree. Yeah, I remember this. I crashed into the tree up there and fell down right here. Yeah, this is where I fell. I might have fallen here, but I assume it was right here. So, yeah. Miha-Hiho gave me some actually good advice for the next sad ending. Yes, there will be more sad endings. But, yeah. So, yeah. I hope you guys liked Kong the movie. I didn't expect you to watch the full thing. It's like 4 hours long. I just kind of wanted you guys to, like, look back at your favorite episodes on that series. Is that another macaw? Is that another macaw? If it is that will this guy, like, take me, though? Alright, those guys were running away. Is that a phoenix? Yeah, that was a phoenix. Run. Okay, flee. So that phoenix is getting in the way of a lot of travels. Is that a sanctuary? Yeah, it is. That's the barn. Oh, God. This is gonna be a long journey. So, I'm probably gonna go off camera. Wait, is that a macaw? It's a macaw! Come back here, child! Get back here! Don't fly away, don't fly away! Come back here, come back! Could be a parakeet. Yeah, it's a parakeet. Macaw, adopt me, buddy! No! Get back here! Oh, it's gonna come back to its nest, though. So we gotta wait here and hopefully it'll take us. That's what I hope. Let me just sit. Wait, does this nest? One of the subscribers that I used to be subscribed to just McCall, come here, child. Come on, come on, come on. Look, look, look. Hello. Hi, McCall. Aw. Yay. Now we have a family. Hello. I did not expect to see another McCall on this server. Should I say hello? Yeah, I think I might. Yeah, I actually might say hello. Actually, I might not stay here. This isn't a good house. I'm gonna run. Whoa, that tree looks so much like the one that I crashed into. I don't wanna hit me cute head. This bird is actually kind of hideous, this baby. Look at how hideous this bird is. So guys, can you guys vote for the next, what you guys want the next Feather Family video to be? I personally, if it's a tie, I'll do Eagle Life. Me and Mihahi Ho are working on Goose Life, which has a happy/sad ending. I'm not gonna spoil anything though. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do for this video yet, because I'm really not, like, it takes time. I just kind of got bored, and I was like, maybe I should make a video. And then I was like, oh, Feather Family, that'll be perfect. So guys, I'm gonna start moving out, looking for the jungle. So yeah, I might just put this part in fast speed racer, in like speed montage kind of thing, of like me just running around looking for the jungle for 40 minutes probably. I'll probably have like 40 minutes of film. So while I'm doing that, I'll probably listen to some FNAF songs. How did I find the beach? Oh, come on. Alright, anyway. Whew, that was... How did I find the beach? Why did this not happen when me and Mihahi Ho were, like, moving, or, like, doing anything else at this point? Alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna start moving around.
Welcome to the show. And like it or not, it's time to play a game. Let's play a game. We don't want you to go. 'Cause like it or not, you'll never feel the same. Let's play a game. Let's play it. One, two, three, four, five. You think you can survive? Survive. This is all a lie. 'Cause your story ends tonight. And like it or not, you'll never feel the same. Don't run away. Just come to play. No fun today. This is what I have to say. Don't run away. Just come to play. This is what I have to say. You're stuck here every day.
Oh god. Alright. Oh, come on. Oh. Alright, this will take a while to heal. God darn it. course, as soon as I start recording, because I find the jungle, I get disconnected. And now I have to find the jungle all over again. Guys, I'll be back. Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Feather Family. As I showed last time, I got disconnected. Disconnected. Yeah, I'm gonna add that out. Anyway, it also reset my macaw. So now, I'm a different macaw. So yeah. I mean, oof. But I'm gonna go back to the hatchery. Why does this look so familiar, honestly? Oh yeah, this was from Swan Life. So, I'm gonna see what, when I'm done with all the birds, what ones got the most likes, and I'll do a part 2 of it. Or if you guys want me to do a part 2 of Swan Life, I could do a surprising thing. So, if Mihahiho's up to it, if he isn't, then oh well. So, this is the pond where Mihahiho, when I woke up and Mihahiho was in here. I remember that. Let's go into here. Alright. So, we're probably going to spend the night in here, because we're going to have to. Or else we'll probably die. Sit. I'm going to sit down. Because I need to relax. Because that was a very long experience of running around doing nothing. And then re-finding this place. Alright. I'm probably going to sit here and sleep until it's night. Why does the camera keep falling? Oh my. Well guys, we are now a fully grown macaw. Actually, the flying is working on this guy for some reason. I don't know why. It didn't work so well when I was playing as a swan. Ooh, I could live up here. Yeah, this place is cool. Well, hopefully I don't run into any big birds while flying or anything, because I don't want to die again. Alright. Whoa. Oh, is that the barn? I think it is. That was where I was born. Yeah, I guess I can visit there again. Alright. Sheesh, I'm flying! Oh god, I'm gonna crash, aren't I? Alright, before something bad happens. Okay, yeah, speak of the devil. Something bad was about to happen. Oh god, oh god. Sheesh, I actually made it. Oh, I'm actually really fast. Whoa. Oh, is that a rat? Hello, child. Mind if I steal this rat? Oh, it's a swan. Hello, swan. I was you once. Okay, that swan skin is honestly hideous. I know. No. I don't want to be picked up in your filthy beak. I don't know what you picked up in that beak, you disgusting, vile, swan. Swans are actually beautiful animals, but they're mean. Have you guys ever seen when, swans, like, put their heads together and they make, like, a heart? Like, it's just out of nature, but, like, they do it by accident, and they can actually make a heart with using their, heads. It's actually really cool. Swans are such interesting animals, but they're really mean, too. Like, they're mean birds. What if I'm just flying around in the barn and I crash into another bird? Oh god. Okay, well, I got lucky there. Alright, I'm going all willy-nilly flying as this guy. So I don't want to accidentally run into anything bad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, there are not many birds in there. Meant to say not too many, but alright, let's fly over this way. Wait. Yeah, this way. I swear, if I see that giant tree... that what? Oh god, no. There are two. Woo. Wait, maybe I can actually land on top of one of these. I think I crashed into this wall. Oh. As soon as I said that, I almost died. What if I just fall from here? Let's see if I can survive. Oh. Okay. Well, I flew. Now I'm flying. Okay. Let's go down. Because I want to actually die. Because I want to make another sad ending. Oh, gosh. Well, talk about that for luck. Alright. Hello? Oh, it's a baby peafowl. Now murder it! Come here, child! Come here, little guy. Oh, he got away. I was just trying to joke. I wasn't actually going to kill him. This game, I don't think other birds can actually kill you. Oh, hello, swan. Ow. Oh, the swan isn't up here. If you guys noticed, my bird is a bit different. Well, what happened was it disconnected me again. That happened. It disconnected me again. So then I had to reconnect, and I made a new bird. I actually realized you can spawn in as an adult, but yeah, like, I always start off as an egg, and then, like, from there I think about what bird I want to play as. Wow, this place is actually nice. I'm gonna bunk here. I think we'll be good here. Yeah, we'll be good. I think we're good here. Let's just get some rest, and hopefully by night there will be no danger. Well, guys, it is finally night. I actually didn't realize when I stopped the recording how long it actually was. I think it was actually 30 minutes. Anyhow, this house is boring, so I'm going back to the barn. So, yeah, I mean, something boring happened. Well, it wasn't actually boring. It was kind of concerning me. I saw a bird flying around with a match that was on fire, and he kept playing with it, and he keeps circling over the barn repeatedly, like in circles around it. Well, more like around the house that I was in. So I didn't like that. And I swear to God, what if he just drops that match on here and it breaks through and everything ignites on flames? I mean, we'll find out soon. I mean, I'm pretty sure he's still circling. Yeah, I think I saw a bit of him out the window. So I'm gonna keep watch, just in case if he gone. Well, last night was difficult because that bird with a freaking match started flying around for no apparent reason. Oh god, what is that? Oh, everything is on fire. Everything is on fire. Get it. Whoa! Oh no. Why is the fire? How's this fire spread? No wonder it was so slippery. Someone put oil everywhere. Run. That's all I can do. Is run. Run to the exit. Run away. Run away.